In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add an unsubscribe link to your Mailchimp email campaign. Let's dive into the process so you can ensure your emails are compliant and user-friendly. First, what you'll want to do is navigate to the email within Mailchimp that you're planning to edit. This means opening the campaign editor where all your elements are laid out ready for customization. If you're unsure how to find it, just log into your Mailchimp account, head over to your campaigns, and select the one you're working on. It's as easy as that. Now, with your email campaign open, the next step is to find an appropriate spot for the unsubscribe link. Typically, this should be somewhere noticeable yet unobtrusive, often at the end or in the footer of the email. So look for or create a paragraph where you feel the unsubscribe text will fit naturally. Keep in mind that adding a personal touch, such as a simple message, can make the email feel more human and less automated. Once you have your paragraph ready, or if you decided to add a new one, highlight the text where you want to insert the actual unsubscribe link. This part is crucial because it tells Mailchimp where exactly you want them to link the unsubscribe option. Think of it like underlining the text with a virtual highlighter. Just select it by clicking and dragging over the text with your cursor. After highlighting the text, you need to make use of the merge tags feature. If you're unfamiliar with merge tags, they're essentially snippets of code within Mailchimp emails that allow dynamic content generation, meaning they can adjust based on the recipient's data and other variables. You'll find the merge tags option in your editing toolbar. Just give it a click and it will present you with a variety of tags to choose from, handy for inserting dynamically generated content anywhere in your email. Your next task is to scroll through the list in the Merge Tags menu until you find the option for the unsubscribed link. Once you spot it, simply click on it. Doing this will automatically integrate the appropriate code into your highlighted section, transforming it into a functional unsubscribe link. It really is that seamless. To sum it up, navigate to your email, choose or create a paragraph, highlight the text, get those merge tags working their magic, and select the unsubscribe option. With these steps, you've added an essential component to your email that complies with best practices and respects your subscribers' preferences. Always remember, making it simple for people to unsubscribe not only keeps you in line with legal standards, but also enhances the trust and credibility of your communications. Thanks for watching and see you in the